अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इंस्ट्रूमेंटल डिलीवरी के रूल्स। ठीक है। if fetal membrane not rupture, you don't know about the head position and don't apply for SEP, go for C section। अगर आपके मेम्ब्रेन रप्चर नहीं है ना तो आप for SEP या वैक्यूम अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे। Prerequisites for instrumental delivery, you can't safely apply forceps or vacuum if you don't know exactly where the fetal head is. Why membrane must be ruptured to confirm presentation and position to apply instrument properly to rule out the issues. ठीक है। Prerequisites for forceps and vacuum, fully dilated ruptured membrane, a fully dilated surface, ruptured membrane, non-presentation position, station, engage head, empty bladder, adequate anesthesia, no CPD. If membrane are intact and head unknown, if membrane are intact and head unknown, if membrane are intact and plus head position unknown, don't apply forceps and vacuum. Next best option is C section if delivery is need urgently. ठीक है। If membrane are intake and head position unknown, don't apply for same and next don't apply for same and vacuum. Go for C section. ठीक है। We don't apply vacuum on face and breast presentation. We can apply vacuum in 7 to 9 centimeter dilated pressure and cord prolapse. Correct contraindications, absolute contraindication face and breech presentation and less than 32 week bleeding disorder, less than 32-week pregnancy and bleeding disorder. Need clarification. We can apply vacuum in 7 to 9 centimeter dilated patient. This is a not standard. One of the patient prerequisites for vacuum for safe is fully cervical dilatation. One of the main prerequisites for vacuum for safe is fully dilatation. 10 centimeter. Apply vacuum at 7 to 9 centimeter risk of cervical cancer laceration. One of the main percentage of vacuum for SEP is free cervical dilatation. One of the main free cervix dilatation. ठीक है। Apply vacuum 7 to 9 centimeter risk of cervical laceration, failure, trauma, expectation. Some very rare protocol for prolonged second stage may considered at but it exam standard guideline is 10 centimeter only. And code prolapse patient. One of the main for vacuum versus is fully dilated service. Apply vacuum at 7 to 9 centimeter. Risk of cervical laceration, failure and trauma. Exceptions. Some very rare protocols for prolonged second stage may consider it, but in exam standard guideline it's 10 centimeter only. And cord prolapse patient. And cord prolapse goal is fastest delivery to relieve cord compression. And cord prolapse goal is fastest and cord prolapse goal is fastest deliver to relieve cord compression. In cord prolapse, the goal is fastest delivery to relieve in cord prolapse, the goal is fastest delivery to relieve in cord prolapse, the goal is fastest delivery to relieve cord compression. And deeply engaged outlet, sometime vacuum forceps can be used, but if the head is high or not fully dilated, C-section is preferred. Standard prerequisite for vacuum, for example, fully dilated होना चाहिए, membrane rupture होना चाहिए, non position और vertex position होनी चाहिए, head engage होना चाहिए, ठीक है, CPD नहीं होनी चाहिए, +2 होना चाहिए, लेस देन +2, एम्प्टी ब्लेडर होना चाहिए, एडिक्वेट एनेस्थेसिया होनी चाहिए, फेस और ब्रिज पे वैक्यूम अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, लेस देन 10 सेंटीमीटर पे वैक्यूम अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, नो वैक्यूम कॉर्ड प्रोलेप्स यूएलसी सेक्शन वैक्यूम ओनली इफ इमीडिएट आउटलेट डिलीवरी कॉर्ड प्रोलेप्स यूएलसी सेक्शन वैक्यूम ओनली इफ इमीडिएट आउटलेट डिलीवरी complication of vacuum is complication of vacuum is reattachment of vacuum and annual reattachment of surface from uterus. ठीक है। complication of vacuum is complication of vacuum is detachment of vacuum and annual detachment of surface from the uterus. ठीक complication क्या है? detachment है and annual detachment of surface from uterus और detachment of surface from uterus से detachment of vacuum हो जाता है और annual detachment of surface from uterus. What is mean reattachment of vacuum pop up cuff reattachment the vacuum cup slips off fetal head during traction from slide 113 you can apply only once after two pop cuffs failed vacuum go for C section or for some reason retained application increases risk of cephalomytoma and scalp injury. Repeated application increases capsulometoma and scalp. Repeated application increase Repeated application increases capsulometoma, scalp, annual detachment, annual detachment of. So this is a rare but serious complication. Happen if try to apply vacuum when the surface is not fully dilated. Like the previous slide mentioned, the suction pull the surface down with the head and can tear the surface and circumferentially from the lower segment causes massive PPH and need urgent surgery. This is exactly why rule 10 centimeter only before vacuum. Other important complication are vacuum to membrane from slide 4 centimeter plus attended textbook. कॉम्प्लिकेशन में क्या है पीपीएच होगा वजाइनल टीयर एपिजोटमी बीपीएच सर्वाइकल एंड वजाइनल टीयर एपिजोटमी सेफिलोहेमेटोमा अदर कॉम्प्लिकेशन टू वैक्यूम की कॉम्प्लिकेशंस क्या है पीपीएच है सर्वाइकल वजाइनल टीयर है एपिजियोटमी है सेफिलोहेमेटोमा है सेफिलोहेमेटोमा सबगेलियल हेमरेज रेटिनल हेमरेज IV intraventricular hemorrhage, especially less than 32 weeks, jaundice, annual diatemy is critically linked to apply vacuum before full dilation so that the knot is warning you do not vacuum at 7 to 9 centimeter. ठीक है प्लीज गाइस मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें